EU-Canada Free Trade, the CETA. The Comprehensive Economic and Trade Agreement, CETA, is a free trade agreement between Canada and European Union. CETA is less known than the Transatlantic Trade and Investment Partnership, TTYP, a controversial trade deal currently being negotiated between EU and the United States. However, this treaty is potentially closer to implementation. The CETA negotiations were completed in 2014 and the agreement was signed on the 30th of October 2016. Impact on Brexit. While the UK remains in the EU, it will be subject to CETA's provision once it comes into force. The precise date of Brexit is not yet known, but given the time needed to ratify CETA in all EU member states, assuming it is ratified, there is a possibility that the UK will have left the EU by the time CETA comes fully into force. While the situation is not entirely clear, the general view is that the UK will need to renegotiate its trade agreement with non-EU countries after Brexit. It has been suggested that if Brexit occurred after full ratification of CETA, the UK could be bound by its advancement provision for 20 years. I was reading an article on CETA. What do you think of this?
I find on several levels this agreement is not desirable. First, in relation with environment. How to respect the agreements of the COP21 with a possible explosion of the transatlantic exchange. In addition, Canadians use GMOs in their products, although we know GMOs' effects for health.
Environmental effects have been taken into account in 2 chapters of CETA. Then, Canadian producers can only import and sell products in the European Union if they respect the European regulation in force. Moreover, distinctive signs of products are kept, such as Label Rouge.
I don't understand you. You know, the European Commission itself acknowledged that the entry into force of CETA significated to an increase in greenhouse gas emissions, especially because of the importation in Europe of unconventional energy, such as oil and shale gas.
It's right, but it is at each country to modulate its effect on our world. Currently, we have passed the 10% mark of unemployment in the European Union. I think CETA will allow us to create jobs since both parties can now participate to public tenders.
Well, but this is going to take place to the detriment of local development and for benefit of multinational firms. There is also a problem with the establishment of a private court. It can judge a disagreement between state and company. The impartiality and independence of this judge will not be guaranteed.
I am agree with you, Manon, but no, you have right to appeal against the decision.
Yes, yet we can bring back new evidence. So your appeal procedure will be based on the same information as the original procedure.
Yes, but another court judge you. I think you dramatize and exaggerate CETA's effect. Then, in the current context, it is more important to create jobs than to focus on environment for me.